A number of functions are accessible through the upper bar of WebAcute. The first of these is labeled Return To. When you click on it, it shows you anything that has been opened while you were operating in the MEDITECH environment and gives you a quick way of going from one of the MEDITECH pages to another. Next to it is the Home button. When you're working on WebAcute, if you just click on Home, it will take you to the Rounds patient list in WebAcute. If you click on the down arrow, it allows you to also go to the ED tracker or the Web Ambulatory module. When you have a patient selected, clicking on Chart takes you to the patient chart. Clicking on Document allows you to go and create electronic documentation. Orders allows you to review current and historical orders. Clicking on Sign allows you to sign off on some of your deficiencies. Workload opens the Workload tab in the entire screen and allows you to go through all of your deficiencies, and over time other functionality that will be added to Workload. Menu allows you to do a number of things. You can compose a message. Now, when you click this in the list view and not while looking at a patient chart, you would have to select the patient you would like to compose a message about. It is always easier to click Compose Message from within a patient chart and create a message related to that patient to another healthcare provider. We will demonstrate that functionality later. Manage Typicals is a menu that allows you to create presets for your notes. EMR Preferences allows you to modify some of the preferences that will affect how you interact with MEDITECH. We will cover workload preferences later. The menu allows you to go back and change your PIN. It also allows you to go to external links, such as the Horizon Patient folder, DynaCare, Lexicomp, standardized order sets, and others.